So I'm gonna do a little shout out to my friends on Facebook that always leave me a comment. And the dog and the cat scratching it.
Fine.
Here's my Filipino breakfast. Here's the Filipino breakfast, guys. Rice, egg, and the fish, the milk fish. And it's really nice outside as well because it's snowing. And this is my view if I'm washing dishes, the thing outside. Okay, I'm gonna have my breakfast, guys, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Tommy is coming today. Yee-hee. Dada is coming today. Dada is coming. Do you know who's Dada? Yeah, that's why your head is tilting like crazy. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get Dada. Dada. Where's Dada? Are you gonna get Dada? Dada is coming today. Dada no, coming today, Dada no. Oh, guys, they're going to the laundry area to check Dada. There's no Dada yet. Let's go down. Let's go down. Yeah, I just put a little makeup again. But anyway, guys, good morning. Happy 11th of December. December 11, right? I think it's 11th of December. 12. Holy cow, it's 12 already, guys. Yeah, my hair is still wet. Tommy is coming here today, and then I'm planning to film something, so that's why. Hopefully I can, because I just been like, you know, thinking of doing filming, but it's not happening. This morning when I got up, the snow stopped, and yeah, but there's a lot of snow outside. There is a lot of snow outside. I think I'm gonna bring you there to see, and I'm gonna let the dog out. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that after this. I just check my YouTube, the comments and reply, guys, and that's really it. Pansit. Masakit yung tiyan ko, guys. My stomach is kinda hurting. Stomach hurts, so let's go outside and I will bring you this. Look at this, guys. Oh, my stomach's hurt. There's a footsteps from the dog. It's cold, guys. I can't stay out here. It's super cold. I don't know if you see that kind of way up there. That this one here, did you see that? It's like a small road. That's a road go to house up there. There is a house up there. That there, you see that white kind of thing, that one there? That's a house. Tommy called me this morning and he said he dropped his mother to dialysis. My sister-in-law, she can't come. She can't be there to pick her up early, just like usual. Tommy will pick her up from dialysis, and then after that give her lunch and then come here. And what is this? Roxy found stuff here. This dog, oh my god, guys. My god, this is what they've been having, eating this thing. Hi, Roxy, she found this in here, ba? Here. Oh, I really want the snow keep going, but it doesn't. It's still early last night, I think. She saw the dog in the neighbor. But Roxy is very friendly. If you're struggling with depression, anxiety, dog of our neighbor is very friendly. Very good dog. And Roxy is friendly. It's like she bark and then suddenly, you know, and then she turned out very friendly to the dog. Because, you know, my sister-in-law have a dog and she brought the little one, which is really like that. And then Roxy is very friendly. She get along really good to the dog. Quick, right? You get along and you have kisses, right, Rox? And then Misty just keep barking, right? You see my socks, guys? It's not really like for cold, but it's really comfortable. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Filipino style, guys. Put one foot in the chair or two, or fold it together like that. And yeah, so Misty doesn't get along really good quick to the animals, to the other dog, but Roxy does. She's a good girl. Okay, I'm going to call my friend because I have to talk to her. And I really want to meet, I really want to see the other YouTuber. Yes, so I really want to meet her, but I have to talk to my friend if we have time to meet her. It's her birthday. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna ask her. I hope I can see you in person. Hi, Lucy Lou. She's a Lucy Lou in the Philippines. Well, New York now. But hi, Lucy Lou. I hope I can see you. I will call you Lucy Lou, okay? I won't call you in your name. I will call you Lucy Lou in YouTube. YouTuber, Lucy Lou YouTuber. So, yeah, I hope I can meet you, Lucy Lou. She's been eating my chopstick. Bad girl, Roxy. Oh, you eat Mama's chopsticks. I think she ate the one that is in the table. God, this dog. I will see you later, guys. And yeah, I'm waiting for Tommy to call back. And I will see you later. Hi, guys. I am back. I'm sorry about my position, guys. I just like to tikongkong style, guys. I like doing tikongkong. So I'm gonna do a little shout out to my friends on Facebook that always leave me a comments, always like my link, and always like, you know, whatever I do on my Facebook and my YouTube Facebook account. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a shout out to Sis Basilio, Sis Basilio, Zez C-E-Z Basilio, Sis Basilio. Hi, sis. And to Amelia Bocane, and Dane Leah Curtis, and also to Rosildin C. Hi, Rosildin C. And also shout out to the person that just requested me a friend request, Red Lady Rina. Hi, Lady Rina. And Wing Lagondi and Jean Johnson. And oh my God, Rosildin C is a lot of likes and a lot of heart reaction on my post. Thank you, sis. And also Grace Ladisa. Hi, Grace Ladisa. And to Rothy Garty. Thank you, sis. You're always here. My YouTube, into my Facebook. Me, Alisa or Alisa. Hi. And Lisa Larcy. Hi, sis Lisa. How's the kids? And Leona Chiki Kempton. Hi. Shilami Fernandez. Hi, Shilami. And Cora Jackman. Hi, Cora Jackman. Sis, how are you? Also to Juvi Gokong Wellfield. Hi, sis. And to Liza Vigil. Hi, sis. Hi, Vicky from Connecticut. Hi, Vic. John Parson. Hi, John Parson. And to Silsa de la Puerta Clemens. Hi, sis. Margie Pilaris. Hi, Margie. And also to Yangs Verox. Hi, Yangs Verox. To my friends on YouTube, to you guys, I really do appreciate all your time that you guys give time onto my channel and watch my video. Thank you to all of you that always give me a time for like how many minutes that I upload video. I really do appreciate it. Plus the time of leaving a comment down below. I really do appreciate it, guys. Hi, Kitty-licious. The dog are sleeping, but they're kind of like I hope you enjoy whatever I put in the back of the background. I hope you enjoy it. I don't know, guys, what I'm going to do. I don't know. I hope I can find a good background. But yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Anyway, Tommy is coming later. So, bye. Hi guys, I'm just going to insert this short shout out. Shout out to Awit family from Gina Wang. Hi Awit family. Hi guys, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Ning Cabalis from Hong Kong. Hi Ning. Thank you for watching from Hong Kong. I never been in Hong Kong yet, so hi. The dog are excited to see Dada. Right, Rox? Tommy said, don't keep saying Dada to call them, because, you know, and they will come every time I see Dada because they're excited to see him. And I keep saying that, sooner or later they won't listen to me. That's what Tommy said. We're just gonna cook some fish. I don't know what fish is this. I forgot. I didn't lock the package. But okay. Candlelight and soul forever. I'm done editing, guys. It's done and it's ready to upload into my channel.
From the finest ingredients to just the right seasonings. Slow simmered for rich flavors. Surprises at every turn.
Our dinner, guys, is corn, and I am frying also fish, but I don't know what kind of fish, but it's a fish. Katilta fish. It's katilta fish. I have to wash my fish because kinda look like a katilta fish. This is what I said, guys, that we got from package. Short chair. It's good for people like me and grandma, and the dog and the cat scratching it.
Fine.
Yeah, it's fine. You put table in it. Okay. I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to wash my face. And we're watching a weird show. I'm just going to get Tommy's blanket and the closet. Holy shucks. Oh, Roxy, Misty, come out here. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. See you in my next vlog. Bye. This one.